In this video, we are going to see how we can record the cash sales of any inventory item, because as we know that even in the businesses which runs on credit, which buys and sells on credit, still there are some walk-in customers that will still purchase from you in cash. So these are just one-time customers or walk-in customers. We will not record a customer for them. So how will we deal with this? Because at the same time of sales, we are receiving the money as well. So let's see how we can deal with it. So let's see how we can book this. First of all, from the dashboard or from any main section, you just click on the plus sign at the top, which says add new. And in the customer section, we have all the functionality related to customers. We have invoice, receive payments, but there is a function which is combination of both. Since we are selling the items and receiving the payment at the same time, this is called sales receipt. So I'll just choose this sales receipt. Just mention the customer. I need to add a new one. And that can be called a walk-in customer or the cash customer. So cash customers, all together we will book, and rest all I'll leave it as it is. Click on save. And the transaction date is of 11 January. Sales receipt is 11 January. Payment method is cash. Reference number, we can put any reference number for the sake of example. And products and services. Okay, we are selling Corolla windscreen. Description is this. Quantity is 1. And the rate is 560. So I'll put 560 here. And all good. If you notice that we have this amount in total and the amount received is 560. So that means at the same time when we are selling the item, we are receiving the money as well. So message displayed on sales receipt, you can mention any message for your customers. Thank you for your business or something like that. Displayed on the statement, you can mention that. And you can also add some attachments. I'll just click on save. And after that, if you want to see the journal entry effect of it, click on more and click on transaction journal. Now there are 4 entries involved here. Cash is received and sales is made. So normally what we do is whenever we do a cash sales, cash is debit because asset is increasing and sales is credit because income is increasing. But at the same time, it will automatically reduce the inventory from the stock of Corolla windscreen and then charge it as cost of goods sold. So automatically the profit and loss will compile, which will detect that sale is 560, 400 is the cost of sales. That means 160 is the profit. So the same area, it will reduce it from the inventory asset and charge it to cost of sales. Now let's click back on the sales receipt. You can enter directly back to there, to the original sale receipt template. And then if you want to print or preview the print, just click on the bottom area and click on print or preview. And this is how the template looks in QuickBooks Online for the sales receipt. If you want to download this, just click on download from here. And it will be immediately downloaded and looks something like this. So this is how we can book the cash sales in QuickBooks Online. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.